kids. Let's learn animal sounds.
Our lion says,
Ah,
monkey says, oin dog says,
moo. Elephant says, hoo.
sit dog says,
Meerkat says, meow meow.
rooster says,
Yap-oh-oh.
cock-a-doodle-doo.
Garlic snake says, dress have says.